Hi everyone, this is Ben itself with Self Films. I'm just going to show you the basic functions of Adobe Premiere 2017. This video will help those people that are trying to just get started. This is just a 101, and so let's get right into it. So first things first here is we have to open up Adobe Premiere 2017, and we'll just give that some time, skip ahead here. Alright, and now we have to name our file and choose the preferences of which we're going to edit this video with. Now I'm going to name this project Adobe Premiere 101. After you do that, select OK. Now that the project's open up, we're going to go to the left and select Project Adobe Premiere 101, and we're going to create a folder. One folder for footage and the other one for titles and text. If this were a bigger project, I'll have one for footage, titles and text, assets, music, and audio. That just allows you to stay tidy and productive when you're working on those big projects. In the title and text folder, I'm now going to open up a black video. This will allow you to see how these different tools will affect each clip as you mess with this in your timeline. Now we're going to select the track forward tool. This allows you to select all the footage to the right of your clip and drag it anywhere on the timeline. If you hit Shift A, you can also revert that and do everything to the left of the cursor. In order to revert that back, just select the A key, and that will allow you to revert the cursor back into Select All Right. Now we're going to select the Ripple Edit tool. This allows you to edit footage in your timeline while eliminating blank space in between footage. Next, we're going to select the Razor tool. This allows you to clip footage while in your sequence and then using the Select tool to delete it out of your timeline. In order to demonstrate this next tool, I'm going to grab some footage from my folder and then drag it into my timeline. Now we're going to use the Slip tool. By utilizing this tool, this allows you to slide excess footage in between your clips. Then we're going to expand the tracks. After doing so, we'll hit the Pen tool, and this will allow you to fade in and out footage by placing keyframes in the timeline. Additionally, allowing you to also put keyframes in the audio track to fade in and out audio. Next is the Hand tool. This becomes very useful when you're working on those big projects and you're needing to scroll around the timeline with accuracy. And finally, it's the Type tool. After selecting the tool in your toolbar, write your opening text, center it, select the font you would desire, and then you can start adding those keyframes for fading it in using the Pen tool like we discussed earlier. And now I'm just going to move this over to the beginning of my title, and then I should be about done. And finally, now that you've reviewed your footage, now it's time to save it. Go to File, hit Save, and now you're done. You've completed your Adobe project. And thank you guys so much for watching. If this was valuable to you, consider liking our video and subscribing to our channel at Behind the Self Films.